Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can customize the single product page template in a WooCommerce website. If you're not using any premium theme, then you can try using this free plugin to customize the single product page template. It is not only for the single product page template, you can also enable many different features in a WooCommerce website. Let me show you an example. Here I'm customizing the single product page layout, and you will see I have many different blocks that I can add in a single product page. You will see the breadcrumbs, title, description, price, add to cart, rating, product meta, social share. This is featured image. Then we have product tabs, and I can also add related products in a slider, and this is single product page slider. You can also enable quick view, add to wish list and product compare option for the WooCommerce website. The name of the plugin is WowStore. This plugin has free as well as a premium version. However, in this video, I'm going to install only the free version of the plugin, and I'll show you how to customize the single product page using the free WowStore plugin only. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you what is the difference between the free and the premium version of the WowStore plugin. What are the features you will get in a premium plugin? If you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. The price of the Pro plugin is only $41 per year for a single website. And in the Pro version, you will get many other advanced features which you can use on your WooCommerce website. So let's see how we can customize the single product page template using the free plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website, and now we are going to install a free plugin to customize the single product page on this website. Let me show you the current layout of the single product page. This is the single product page layout, and it does not look good to me. So I'm going to customize this layout. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here search for WowStore. So this is the plugin, WooCommerce Builder and Gutenberg WooCommerce Blocks WowStore. So let's click on install now and click on activate. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel, you will see the option of WowStore. So we're on the dashboard. Apart from customizing the single product page, you can also enable different add-ons on this plugin. For example, the Woo Builder is enabled, and using the Woo Builder feature, you can customize the layouts of WooCommerce. Then you will see wish list. You can also enable wish list, variation swatches. If you have variable product on your WooCommerce website, you can enable variation swatches. Quick view is already enabled. Custom font and saved templates are also available. I'm going to enable saved templates. So we will be able to use some templates. Let's go back to add-ons. And you will see sales push notification. This feature is also available in the free version. So you can enable sales push notification. Name your price is also available in the free version. And you will see some other options are available in the Pro version only. Let's click on Woo Builder. Now in the left hand panel, you will see different options. If you want to customize the home page of your website, you can use one of the templates. You will see different templates are available. Some of them are available for the free version, and some of them are available for the Pro version. Then you will see single product page. There are some templates. However, all these templates are available for the Pro version only. So if you want to customize the single product page layout, you can customize it from the scratch. So you can start from the scratch and customize it. Then you have shop page template. Using this, you can customize the shop page on your WooCommerce website. Then you have cart, checkout, my account, thank you, product search, archive, header, footer, and 404. So all these templates can be customized using the free plugin. So let's go to single product and click on start from scratch. Now we are going to create a customized template from the scratch. We are not going to use any template as it is not available in the free version. Now it says where do you want to display your template, and you will see the option products, in brands, child brands, product categories, in child product category, and in product tags. Now I want to use this custom template for all the products. So I'm going to select products and all and click on save condition. So the template that we are going to create will be applied to all products on the website. Now we are going to customize it. Let's click on the plus sign and I'm going to use columns. I want 2 columns layout for the top section. So I'm going to select 2 columns and click on plus sign here. Now you will see all the WooCommerce blocks from the WowStore plugin which we can use. At the top in this section, I want to use the product image. Let's scroll down and you will see a separate section here, single product WowStore. So all these widgets can be used to customize the single product page. Now you will see product image here. So I'm going to drag it and drop it here. So it is going to show the product image. In the right hand panel, you will see the customization option for the image or whichever widget you are going to add. You can customize it from the right hand panel. Let's go to preview and you will see some products are there. It is not showing the actual product image. So I'm going to select one of the products from here. Let's try this one. And now you will see the actual product image that we have on this website. All right, you can change. All right, let's try this one. Now let's go back to the left hand side and look for another option that we can add. So we are on the single product and at the top I want to show the breadcrumbs. Let's say the breadcrumbs. So I'm going to select product breadcrumbs and I'm going to put it in this tab. All right, so you will see the breadcrumbs. Then I want to show the product title. So let's search for product title, drag it and drop it below the breadcrumbs. Now I want to customize it, so I can select it and in the right hand side you will see the option there. So let's select the product here. This one will have H1 tag. I want to change it to H2 tag and here you will see the color. I can change the color settings and let's try this one, or you can select the custom color from here. Typography, you can change the font size and the font weight. Change the size from here. Let's make it 45. Then go to advanced, go to general setting. These are the general settings. Background, you can also change the background color. Responsive is not available for the free version. And you can also add custom CSS for the title. Now let's say I want to add product short description below the title. So I'm going to drag and drop the product short description. Now let's select it and change the color. Let's make it dark black. All right. Then let's select product price and drag it and drop it here. So this is going to be the price. Let's change the style settings. Select one of the products. Go to sale price typography. From here you can change the typography. Let's increase the size and let's change the font weight. Let's increase the space and label. Let's enable the label price. This is the label and you can also change the color of the label and the size. Done. Now below that you will see discount badge. Right now there is no discount, so it's not going to show anything there. So this is about the product price. Now let's drag and drop product stock. It will show how many products are available in the stock, if it is in stock or out of stock. Then we have product rating. Let's drag and drop here. Now remember that you can customize all these widgets. Change the background color for the star. Right, so this is the product rating. Then we have product meta. Let's drag and drop it here. Right, and again you can customize it. You can change the color and style settings. Before that I want to add product add to cart. So I'm going to drag and drop product add to cart above the product rating. So this is add to cart button and you will see the settings for add to cart. You can enable or disable the quantity. This is the quantity selection. Plus minus, you can enable or disable it. Buy now, you can also enable buy now option. And cart button style, from here you can change the cart button style settings. You can change the background color. All right, so this one looks good. Now what else we can add here? Let's add social share below the meta. All right, so this is the social share. So at the top we have 2 columns. In one column we have product image and in another column we have all the information about the product. Now below that I'm going to add new section And here I'm going to add a separator. So let's search for separator. And let's make it wide line. Click on the plus sign again. Below this separator, I want to add the information about the product. And there is an option, product tab. Search for the widget tab. You will see product tab. Let's drag it and drop it here. And in this tab, you will see product description, additional information, and reviews. And from the right hand panel, again, you can customize it, navigation. You can center align, left align, tab border. You can also enable tab border. All right, so you will see the border around the tabs, and you can also add radius, tab padding, like this. So this one looks good. Space between, you can change the space between, bottom space, navigation item. These are the options for the navigation items. Let's change the background color for the active, and also change the text color. All right, so this one looks good. And again, you can customize it according to your website requirement. You will see the reviews, additional information, and description. All right, now below that, I'm going to add one more separator. Again, wide line. Click on the plus sign. Let's see what else we can add. We have product grid option. If I move the cursor on it, this is how the grid will look. This is product grid 2 layout and grid 3 layout. So I'm going to use this one, the first one, drag it and drop it here. And it is going to show some related products on the single product page. And you will see the product view is currently set to grid view, and it is going to show 6 different products in 3 columns. I'm going to change it to slide view so that it will show product slider, column gap. Then we have slides to show. 3 slides will be shown, and slide speed is 3000 milliseconds. From here, you can sort the product. You can select specific products, or you can also select upsell products. Then we have advanced sort, random product 30 days. So all these options are available for sorting out the products. Then we have number of products to be shown is set to 6. You can change that number, offset product, and these are the ascending, descending orders. You can go through these options. These are pretty simple options. Below that, we can add, let's say, product slider. This is the product slider. Let's try it, drag it and drop it below this one. And this is how it will look. This is going to show a slider. And again, you can customize it. General query, you can sort the products. Stack on mobile, autoplay. From here, you can sort the products, show taxonomy, show title. Let's say I do not want taxonomy. So if I disable it, you will see taxonomy is gone. Show product description. Then we have price, add to cart, image, dots, show sale tag. You will see the sale tag here. Background, you can also change the background color. Currently it is set to black color. You can change it and customize it according to your requirement. Let's do one thing. Let's click on publish. And now we will see how does this look on the actual product. So we have the product page opened here, and let's refresh it. And now you will see the new layout for this product page. At the top, we have breadcrumbs, then title. This is the price. Then we have add to cart button, add to compare, and add to wish list option is added. Then we have product rating, SKU, category, and then we have the social share icons. Below that, we have product tab. For this product, it has only description and reviews. So it is going to show that. Then we have the related products, which is in sliding. If I scroll down, this is the product slider. Now here you will see the sales notification. We have enabled the sales notification, and that's why it shows the sales notification automatically. So this feature is also available in the free version. So if you are not using any premium theme and you want to customize the single product page layout, then you can try using the free WowStore plugin. And if you want more advanced features, you can go for the pro version of the plugin. The pro version will cost you only $41 per year for a single website, and you will get many other features to customize your WooCommerce website. In the Pro version, you will get access to all these add-ons. So if you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.